And today in this video here I am going to showing that how to delete your Facebook account permanently. And at first of all you need to open your Facebook application in your device. And now you can see this is our Facebook interface. And in the below of this interface you can see more of the tabs are here. And you want to just tap on this menu option from here. And now you can see this is our Facebook menu. And in the top of this menu option you can see two of the options like this, search and settings. And you want to just tap on the settings option from here. And after that now you can see our settings and privacy. And in the top of this you can see option Meta Account Senders, and in the below of this you can see more in Account Sender. And you want to just tap on this see more in this Account Sender option from here. And after that once again just scroll down. And after that you can see option Account Settings, and in this Account Setting you can see more of the options are here. And after that you can see option Personal Details, and you want to just tap on this Personal Details option from here. And after that in the below you can see option Account Ownership and Control, and you want to just tap on this Account Ownership and Control option from here. And after that you can see two of the options are here, memorialization and deactivation or deletion, and you want to just tap on this deletion option from here. And now you can see your two of the accounts are showing here, and just tap on the account which you want to delete permanently. And here I am selecting my Facebook account from here. And after that you can see two of the options are here, deactivate your account and delete your account. And you want to just tap on this delete account option from here and just tap on this continue button. And after that you can see deleting your Facebook account, just tap on this continue. And now you can see some of the questions are asking from our Facebook, and just tap one of the answer from here. And here I am selecting that I spent too much time on Facebook. And after that just tap on this continue. And after that once again select continue. And now you can see permanently delete account, and in the below you can see more of the options are here. And if you want to download your data from your Facebook, and you can just tap on this download info from here. And if you want to transfer it, you can also select this transfer option from here. And in the below you can see option continue, and just tap on this continue option from here. And after that you need to once again enter your password from here. And after that they have been asking once again the confirmation, and you want to just tap on this delete account option from here. And now you can see our Facebook account has been deleted permanently. And I hope you will enjoy our video, and thanks for watching our video.